Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hey guys, I'm Shreya and in today's episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass, I'm going to show you how to apply eyeshadow for hooded eyes. Because we love POPxo so much, we have a surprise for you. Join the MyGlamm XO Insider program right now and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is down below. So guys, this was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let us know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.